Hi, I'm Ro.
And I'm Z. And I took the dive. I bought my first Moterm rings planner. Let's see how it turns out.
I'm excited.
So we're back, Rosies, and this is it. This is my first Moterm rings agenda cover. I This is the personal ring size. Let's take a look at it. I decided to buy Moterm
Yeah.
because I truly enjoy my cloth and paper rings. If you saw our prior video and you guys supported it, thank you. I purchased the ash. This is the ash color for cloth and paper, but I was in love with Moterm's cream agenda. If you saw our prior videos, if you follow us, and if you don't, listen, I encourage you to subscribe. We have fun over here. I purchased this about a year ago and I love the color. This is my HP Classic.
Watch out. The
Yeah, let me
candle.
watch up because I don't want to,
We
I don't want to get burned by the candle. So this
won't
is
set
my
a
HP
fire.
Classic, and I purchased this about a year ago. I love it so much. This is cowhide leather. It's not
Vegan.
vegan. Thank you. I like cowhide. I like the way it feels. I like the durability of a cowhide leather or animal leather. So I purchased
Why you
this,
always
and
gotta say cowhide?
I just want, okay, because when I say leather, a lot of planner companies don't have animal leather. They're have vegan options or sustainable alternatives out there. And I prefer animal leather. I just
It
like the
just sounds so
durability. I like the
raw.
feel. So I purchased this. I love the color and I love it. This is one of my favorite planner covers. This is my Franken planner that I use for my HP Classic. So I've seen a lot of videos on Moterm, and I know because I love my HP Classic. So since I've delved into the personal rings, and I already have two cloth and paper personal rings planner, and I have a Chanel planner as well as a May Paper Co planner, I decided to give Moterm a try. So here it is. Now, I'm going to be honest, I already unboxed this. And the reason I did that is
You
because
did.
I
What?
purchased one before, and when I checked the rings, they weren't seamless. There
Oh,
was
that's nice. Hurry up, pull
see,
it out.
some issues with the, okay, this is it, girl. This is
It's
gorgeous.
nice.
Oh my God. I
It's
love the
smaller than
color.
the other one.
No, it's about the same size. Okay,
Is
so
it?
this is it. I like the same size of the rings,
Oh,
and it's about the same size. It's not about, it's the same size. It's a personal rings. Whatever personal ring measurement is, this is it.
hmm,
Let me give it side by side.
I
This one
love
looks a
it.
little small
Love
because
the
already
color.
filled up. So I purchased this, and I pass what I do when I purchase rings planner. I pass my fingers over the ring to
Hmm.
make sure that they're seamless.
Okay.
When I purchased the
I
one
wouldn't
that
have thought of that, but okay. But
I never
okay.
thought about that too, but I was watching another YouTuber and
Mm.
she said that's what she did. She will pass
Mm.
her hand over the rings and make sure that it's clasping. Put that in there. Make sure, I don't think you could see it from the camera, but make
Mm.
sure that it's clasping right. And I did that. I purchased another one and I had to send it back because there was just a variance in how the rings, it wasn't seamless. And I said, you know what? Let me do it now because I don't want to regret not sending it back when I should have. Go ahead, Rocio.
Listen, okay, I must have missed it. Where did you get the Moterm planner from?
Okay, no, you didn't miss it. I didn't see. I purchased this from
Oh,
Amazon.
oh, okay.
Amazon, and but Moterm has their own website. I purchased it from
Oh,
Amazon, and this is the personal, I believe it's called 2.0 because the 2.0 comes with the fly leaf. And this is what I really wanted. And we're going to talk about
Oh,
that later, but let's get into the
okay.
planner first. So this is the planner I bought. One thing about Moterm that I enjoy, at least in my HP Classic, is that you open it, it lays flat immediately. And of course, when you use a planner, because it's real leather, it tends to get more pliable. So you don't have to
Mm-hmm.
force it open like some others. So I love that about it. The next thing is this the amount of storage you have. Of course, you have your pocket for your if you use it for your credit cards. I generally use it for journaling cards. Then you have a pocket here, you have a pocket there, you have a zipper, and then the beauty about the zipper, they put this cover over it so it doesn't damage your decorative stuff here. Or if you have a cover, it doesn't indent the cover or scratch it, which is very thoughtful. You have a pocket there as well. That is covered. And of here you have a you have a secretarial pocket here or slide, one here as well. I mean, this planner doesn't lack for storage. And,
Yeah,
and
I see
I
that.
really appreciate that. They also has a pen loop, one pen loop. One thing I let me see.
Do
I
the pen check, pen check.
yeah, let me do the pen check. I like it because it has that elastic. So if your
Oh,
pen is chunkier, like I have this chunky uni pen, which is my favorite planner pen,
mm-hmm.
it can fit there with some ease. I mean, listen, this is going to get stretched out because, and I like it stretchy because this pen loop,
Mm-hmm.
this one doesn't have
Elastic.
the elastic, and it stretches over time. So that's the beauty about cowhide, animal leather. So anyway, so I like that. Thank you for reminding me to do the pen test. So your chunky uni pens will fit here. One thing I would appreciate if the pen loop, and I
Yo,
guess,
yo,
hmm,
you hear that?
what?
Oh, good.
Okay, so then now we talked about the rings. Let's talk about this back pocket here. So there's space here. So it kind of I find it that it has even more storage than the one here from Cloth and Paper. If you see here, Cloth and Paper has the journaling cards. It doesn't have all those extra pockets. It has a pocket here and in the back, a pocket in the back. You don't have the journaling cards. So as far as storage, Moterm wins.
Sully,
Cloth and Paper
what would
does
you
have the pocket in the back here. So
what would you use the pocket at the back where
I use it for receipts. Like for
that's
instance,
what I was thinking.
my receipts for like when I ship stuff to you, receipts like when I'm returning items, I put
Mm-hmm.
the name of the store, Amazon or whatever, and I put it back and I put it there. I I shop a lot online, so I need to keep a storage of where my receipts are going. So here, so now let me take this off. We already did the seamless check. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer what's in here. But let you know what it came with. And this is one of the reasons why I purchased it. It
Okay.
came with note paper. This is not the reason I purchased it, but it's nice to have some note paper in your planner. You can never go
Mm-hmm.
wrong with this. It has whatever memo number you have there, the date, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You could take notes. Generally, what I use this for is for a general to-do list, or if I'm taking notes in whatever area. So it's lined. So it's you could always use it for something. This is what I purchased it.
And what's that?
I This is called a fly leaf. And the reason I purchased it is I shouldn't say this is why I purchased it. This is what was encouraged me to purchase this
Mm-hmm.
particular motor. This you could use it at the back as a page lifter so your pages wouldn't curve with the planner. But I purchased this because if you look at my cloth and paper planner here,
Mm-hmm.
I have one of the cloth and paper pen loops here in leather, eclipse leather, and I also carry course, my pen. But if you saw the prior
Double
video
pen.
that I had in setting up this particular planner, I also included these sticky flags.
Mm-hmm.
I'm incorporating them because I'm not using them as often and I'm buying them to use them. So I did an entire page of sticky flags. The problem with
Mm.
sticky flags is that you can't use a water-based pen ink on the sticky flag. You need an oil-based pen. So I already have a Eclipse pen loop and have the pen loop that came with the planner in use. I could always go and use another Eclipse pen loop, which I have, but I figured I'm like, let me try this Moterm fly leaf
Mm.
and put my oil-based pen here. So when I'm ready to do my or use any of the page flags, it's readily available. I'm not digging in my bag for something. I want this to be a one-stop shop
Okay.
when I'm doing my planning or going around. I don't want to feel like I need another pen bag or something to write. And I don't like using the oil-based pen as my main writing pen. So let's see how that works in the Moterm. So let's move those along. I am so excited. So I have here, I'm just going to transfer things over. I I'm going to tell you guys, I use this is what I call my to-go planner. So anyway, let's go ahead and move this item. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to keep it the way it is. Same cover, same planning cards, that sort of thing. I kind of like how I have it set up. So let's just move things along. Okay, I see. See where I have this is a wider pocket.
Mm-hmm. It's
This is
not.
pocket isn't as wide, except if you put
Mm-hmm.
it here. So I could put these back here. And then I could put this planning card here. Let me,
Filthy rich. I know that's right.
girl, that's where I'm trying to get. Okay, so this doesn't fit here. So it's gonna be a little limited with the regards to my planning cards.
Yeah.
That's I don't think that's a is
No,
that
just put it
fatal?
on top and then put one of them
Oh wait, there's a pocket here? No, there's not a pocket there.
no, what I was saying, put it on top and then put one of them magnet on it.
Oh, like here?
Yeah.
Oh, I put a magnet on the back. Okay, I got it.
I mean, see if that works.
I think it would. So I'm going to be limited with regards to my journaling cards in the Mo term.
But that looks good though. I mean,
Yeah,
it ain't
it
too much.
doesn't need to be clunky. And that's good, good girl, Rocio.
Thank you.
All right, so this is another journaling pin I have. I can use that for something else. So let's just start moving things around. Oh, first, I gotta take this pocket of stickers and stuff that I use. I have, do I have? And this is so easy because I don't have to like fight it.
Mm.
Here, the pocket in the cloth and paper, and it's not a bad thing, but it's a tight pocket and I like it. But you sometimes have to tug to get your stickers that you're going to use here.
There's some
It's a
pros
little
and
bit
cons
more
on it, but
smooth.
that's okay. With
Yeah,
this,
and in everything there is pros and cons. You're right. So anyway, but I kept these stickers which I wanted in here for my planner. Let me go ahead and move some stuff. I'm going to start from front to back.
you mean from back to front.
From back to front. Thank you, Rocio. So this is the fly leaf. I'm sorry, the page lifter that I used before. That page, okay. That page lifter housed my highlighter with the cloth and paper pen. I'm thinking what let's see, keep that there. Let's keep that there. And then if I need to move it, I'll move it. Now I'm just putting things on there. I'll include the video how I set up my personal planner in the description box. I'm not going to go through that again, but I'm just adding my financial section, which is me keeping track of my finance, my buys, the cost, my orders, my fitness section, my scheduling section. I have here, of course, the sticky note page I was telling you about before. I'm adding my calendar and my note section. Okay, it's not all fitting here. Take my time here. So I hope, I don't know. So where I would put the fly leaf, would I put the fly leaf here? I could do it like this. Oh, I didn't see that. Did you guys notice that?
No, I should
There's
have
a
held it in.
pocket here.
That's nice.
It is. I gotta give it to Moterm. When it comes to storage, they got it. I mean, and if I'm just including my regular stuff, again, I'm gonna include the video if you want to see how I set up my personal planner. So where would I put, I was thinking, oh, maybe I should just put it here, right in before my scheduling section. And the goal again is I want to carry all my pens together. It's going to be a chunky planner, which is fine. I don't mind chunk, but I want to make sure that all I need to carry in the planner is there. I don't want to, I like things when they feel complete. And I don't feel that if I'm carrying one pen, two pens here and then another pen somewhere else, it's not going to be complete. It's not effective for my purposes. Let's see.
Do you
Let's see.
need all of that?
Let me see what I could. Hold on. Let me see how I can.
Move it to the other side. Like,
But it's still. I don't know if it's going to close, Rocio. Maybe I don't need all these note papers. Clearly, this is going to be a little thicker. I'm wondering if the rings are even the same. I don't know. You know what, guys? I don't even know what measurements the rings are to compare it to what I got from Clock and Paper. Maybe I should have figured that out. I could look that up. Oh, you know what, Rocio, thank you. So now let's put this in and let's see if we could close it. Girl, we could close it and we could close it on the second button.
that's so good.
Guys, we did it.
I know that's right. I like it though.
I like it too. I like it too. Let me make
You should get
sure
the other pin and put it on too.
to secure it.
Yeah.
Okay, there. There you go. Thank you, Rocio. All right. This is it. This is it, guys. And like I said, I'm not doing a flip through. I'll include the video where I did the setup and flip through. But I'm encouraged. This has a pocket in here. And you know, I don't even have to put these in the back here. I could just stick these here. So whenever I need them, I could just pull them out. This is good. This is good. I could do the first one, but I can go in. I love it. Everything fit. This is what I wanted. So listen, guys, I'm all for Moterm. This is a beautiful pebbled leather, a cream personal rings. I purchased it at Amazon. It was like $66 and something cents plus shipping here in the Virgin Islands. I think I'm going to enjoy this planner. I think I'm going to enjoy it. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And if you like our banter, that thumbs up. And if you want to continue seeing more of us, consider subscribing to the channel.